He said that it was mentioned about from Hadith Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that he has said, Allahumma barik lana fi Sham, which means Allah bless Sham for us. Also, the same prayer was said about Yemen. And then the Sahaba said they inquired about Najd, their own place, and then Hadith Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said once more that Allah should bless Sham and Yemen for the second time. And then this has happened till for the third time. What's this? قالوا يا رسول الله وفي نجدنا. Yes. And then for the first time when they have asked, Hadith Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, then he said,
it's not mentioned.
He has predicted or prophesied that there will be a lot of earthquake and mischief, and over there will be the century of Saturn will appear there too.
You see, this hadith may be declared to be sahih in the line of its narration. The people who narrated it at last to Hazrat Imam Bukhari, he may not have found anything wrong with those people. But as far as the subject matter of this hadith is concerned, it is definitely false. Because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was concerned with the whole world, not with just two countries. So how could he pray just for the Muslims of two countries and not for the whole world? He was Rahmatul lil Alameen. So as far as the meaning of this hadith is concerned, it contradicts the verses of the Quran, which present Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam as Rahmatul lil Alameen. So this must have been invented by interested people. I'm quite sure. You see? Egypt's not mentioned at all. Indonesia and other such Muslim countries with large number of their population, it has to be invented by some interested people.